Welcome back to Cracked Housing Fab. We're going to continue working on the CROSSKART.
Yep, and stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you know who won the drift right competition.
All right, so the results are in for who won the drift trike competition.
Yep, looks like we tallied all the votes up and you guys spoke. So the winner is Team Kelly.
Have any words for us, Kelly?
I would like to thank Kurt for making sure the brakes worked. And I'd like to thank all the viewers for telling me to put my hair up. I forgot.
What about your husband?
Thank you.
All right, let's get working on the CROSSKART.
I'm going to tell you right now, you're not using any of this.
Aww.
The one time I'm nice to you. Get it on camera.
All right, step one, we got to put the drive shaft in. Where did that plate go? You remember what we did with it? The plate that goes there.
What's
Did
it
we
look
have it
like?
made yet? Oh, it's on the
Oh,
bench.
it's right here. Never mind. See?
No, it's on the bench.
No, it's right here.
No, I'm pretty sure it's on the bench.
Behind all this car parts.
Ooh.
Alright. Oh, we take the bolts out.
Oh, come on, Sean. Do I have to do everything?
Alright. Put all this together.
Or
Wait,
multiple
which-
piece. We're going to keep the short back here.
Short part towards the back, that's right. Okay. I'm just gonna line everything up. Nice. That's not lined up.
Lined
There
up
we
from
go.
where I'm from.
All
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Boom, boom.
You sure you don't want to use washers because they're too long?
Hey, we're all allowed to make mistakes.
Nope.
This is engineering perfection. That's what we're going for.
Dude, this is awesome. I've been waiting for this day.
The only thing better than
This
this
morning.
engineering.
Oh,
Stole that. Set that down there. The only thing better than the engineering that we're doing is German engineering.
is it?
Yes.
Do you have another knot?
I gave you two. Right
Yeah.
here. Silly.
All right.
Cool. So now,
I don't think we got nuts for the front. Ooh, look at that.
it's got to be close. Perfect.
You got the drive shaft bolted in, perfect length, fits good. It drives the correct way, which is important. So we want to get this as low as we can. And this brace we welded in, probably the second thing we welded on the whole frame. So we're just going
Yeah.
to cut this out so we can lower this. The lower we can get this, it means we can get our seat lower, which lowers the gravity, you know, everything, which we want. So we're going to cut that out and see how low we can get this drive shaft.
And also, we're going to make this so we can take the drive shaft out if we want it. If we want to ride it with two-wheel drive,
That's right.
then we can just
Yeah, just unbolt that and two-wheel
push
drive.
it out the bottom, and yeah, perfect.
Let's do it. 40 hours.
Where's your safety glasses?
I didn't get them yet.
Were you gonna?
Safety third.
We need to fix that motto. That's bad.
Well, we can use the safety third motto when you're dealing with brakes. But now when you're dealing with your eyeballs, I feel like that's something you got to be careful with.
That's why you have two eyes.
That's true.
So eyes and brakes are not equal on the list of importance?
No.
I don't think I want to be out here.
If your brakes go out, it doesn't affect your eyes.
True.
But
What are you doing? What? Animal
Snack time.
crackers?
yeah, hang on.
Awesome. I want all of them.
Snack time with Kelly, apparently.
Are these frosted?
No.
No.
What?
We can't afford frosted ones. We gotta buy parts for this.
We're on a budget.
What do you think's better? Frosted or plain animal crackers?
I don't know, this is like a kid's stick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, these are good.
So our plan is with these tabs is to kind of have the drive shaft, this one parallel with the frame rail. So it'll kind of be there. Kurt seems like he has a better idea.
Alright, what are you thinking? Don't lie.
I don't know. Because we want to be able to still remove the drive shaft easily.
Right.
Which I think if we drop that, it'll just go over it.
Yeah, as you drop it down. What are you doing?
Nothing?
Looks like Kurt got these tabs welded in. Turned out nice. Now you're gonna go ahead and drill the holes for the bolt.
Yeah, I was going to pre-drill them on the drill press, but I didn't know exactly where it was going to line up because they're at
Right.
an angle.
They don't go all the way across. They just come into that way. We can be able to remove. We will be able to remove the drive shaft from there.
What's your favorite tool?
Well, you already claimed the hammer.
Yeah, the hammer's awesome.
Ratchet's pretty cool. It makes things a lot easier that way.
What about you, Kurt?
Favorite tool?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Probably the welder.
Yeah, true. Well, there is a
Because you
huge
can put metal together, you can cut metal with it. Like you do anything with it.
Yeah.
Blow holes and stuff if you have the heat up too high.
Yeah.
All that fun stuff.
That's true. What about you? What's your favorite hammer? The tool, or your tool, the hammer? Apparently, I don't know how to talk.
Are you feeling okay?
Apparently not. Kurt's just not doing anything while I'm putting this thing together. He's just sitting here playing on his phone.
Do you remember when we told people that we upload stuff to Facebook and Instagram?
Oh, is that what you're doing?
How do you think that happens?
Oh.
When we have a spare moment, when the other person is doing something,
Right?
I upload cool stuff.
I do it too.
No, you don't.
Alright guys, so we have the drive shaft installed. It's good to go as far as we got. Kurt went ahead and made the tabs, welded them in. That turned out really nice. Have it bolted in.
That's cool, that rubber mount. That should keep it pretty smooth.
Yeah, keep the vibration from driving you nuts.
This is awesome.
So I think the next step is we can start getting ready to put our seat on.
Mount the seat!
That's right. So this is a seat off of a, perfect. This is a seat off of a Can-Am Maverick. We found a really good deal on it online on eBay. So
What else do we have one of these seats on?
we also have the seat on our off-road freaking awesome tractor, Simplicity lawnmower with a 450 Yamaha engine on it. And I'll put a clip in it put a clip in here right now so you can check that out for a second. But anyways, yeah, so we can kind of figure out where we're gonna end up sitting in this.
Do we have an ejection seat on this?
Ejecto-cedo, cuz?
It'd be cool if we could stand up on it.
Right,
Just drive it.
It's scary.
A big skateboard.
Yeah.
It's gonna tip over anyway.
Well, it's
Right.
not. We're gonna have a taller framer on the side.
Yeah.
I think when we started, it's just gonna fall over.
Right, it might.
That's what we heard.
Yeah,
Is this drive shaft low enough? Guess that's not bad.
Oh, it'd be right about here. We'd have the seat right above it, right?
Mhm.
Just slightly above it. Yeah.
Yeah, because this is our floor height
Mm-hmm.
right in here. Because our floor is gonna cover this shaft. You won't see this from up above.
Yep.
And then we're gonna have side rails. Yeah.
I think it's gonna be good.
How did I get this mounted?
All right.
Oh no.
That bandsaw is really freaking loud.
You know what safety looks like?
Uh-oh. Bandsaw blade broke.
In typical Kurt fashion, he's always breaking everything, so.
Oh, that's alright, because you fix it.
Right, I know.
This lasted pretty long
Yeah,
time.
we cut a lot with these blades. I mean, they're just the cheap Harbor Freight ones, but
Look how easy they break when you just bend them. Watch.
yeah.
Oh, maybe not. Well, the one
Really
snapped right in.
This is the break it.
Oh, look at that. It just folds and snaps.
Bend.
Look at that.
Snap.
I think we've heated them up quite a bit. Alright, so on these seat brackets, we thought we'd get creative. We're just going to build these little mounts coming off to the side. At an angle, we're going to cut these flat, put these on top, and this fits right in this rail here for the seat. So super heavy duty, should be strong, and then we'll put a little piece of solid rod across here just to kind of give it support.
Tie it together, and then if something ever does happen with the drive shaft, we're protected, so you don't have a drive shaft goes in the seat and
Yeah, that wouldn't be
hit you
fun.
where it counts.
Yep, so we'll get these tacked on, and then we'll cut these to length when we kind of have the seat on. But we want it as close as we can get it to that.
That's right.
Without going over. Yeah. No, so we need to maybe do 5.5. Do 5.5. All right, so we have the mounts tacked on. So these two rails here line up with the slots in the seat. So we're gonna drill these. We're gonna tack weld a nut on the bottom so we can just thread the screws in from the top. I think that turned out pretty nice. The seat will sit right on there. It's strong. So let's get these drilled.
Yeah, Kurt did a nice clean job getting those cut off.
Pretty clean.
Yeah, I mean, well, as good as we could, because we didn't know that angle, so we kind of had to just
Yeah.
get it on there and then
I think
figure it out
you're
from there. So yeah, so I guess we'll get these drilled.
Did you break it?
I don't think
Stop.
you're supposed to take that apart.
No, I think it's, isn't it?
Pull it off.
Yeah, stupid.
No, it goes out. It goes back the other way. I think it goes this way. But there's like a thing on this one.
It means it isn't. It's a baby seat.
That's weird. It's like a rubber. Oh,
Ew.
must be a rubber plug. Well, that's fine. Let's just leave it hang out like this, and then we can.
Yeah, we're just doing it to market.
The marking device went.
I think it's close enough. Mark it. Center it.
Like you're hiding.
Yeah.
Peeky boobs. Alright. Got them? Good. It's not centered. Center punch and drill it, and we'll mark it on the other one.
As long as it works.
Here, well, where's the other one at?
To drill the holes in the piece of square stock so that we can bolt our seat down, because it's exciting to get to this point.
Work hard to just sit around.
Yeah, I guess that's one way to put it, right?
Seems like a two-man job.
There we go. Now we're getting her.
Because we're putting the nut in here for the seat bolts.
Yeah, now we're gonna weld them, but it's a pain in the butt to get it all lined
Yeah,
up.
we'll weld that in there, then it's easy to put the seat in and out.
Yeah.
Melt the seat again.
Yeah, so you melt the seat again.
Good.
Perfect.
Make sure and like this video if you're watching this while you're pooping. All right. Let's see if we weld these pipes on the right angle.
I'm gonna cut my way about 2 inches.
I would certainly hope not.
It seems unsafe. Where the is there pedals?
Don't pinch your finger.
No pedals yet.
They're gonna be
Yeah, there's no pedals. Yeah.
for giants.
Yeah, you can't drive this one with your mind.
This seems unsafe.
Well, it's very unsafe.
You're gonna slip in here.
Do you have the welder hooked up to this while you're sitting on it?
Yeah, but it's not turned on. No, the ground's not hooked up. We're good.
Okay. Safety?
Safety.
Where?
Don't move, Sean.
I'd love to give you my hammer.
Kill you.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Hit him with it.
I'm just trying to hold the seat steady so Kurt could weld it
Yeah.
up nice and straight.
Uh-huh.
I'm a good holder upper.
That's super comfy. It seems like we're high, but the floor is going to be raised. This is just the subframe.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be right over the top of the drive shaft. So this is about where your feet would be.
Yeah, roughly
That
there.
feels
Yeah.
about right.
Yep.
That's strong. I like it.
Those seats are so comfortable. I mean, for like $100, you can't beat this. And you can put a 5-point harness in here.
Yeah. Dude, I always look on eBay every now and then because if one pops up cheap, you
Yeah.
should get it. Seems like we use it on
And it's a
all our
good
projects.
quality OEM seat, so very strong.
You got
Love
your
it.
seat mounted.
Seats mounted. Yep.
What else did you accomplish today?
We accomplished getting a drive shaft mounted.
Had the bracket made for that.
Yep, made the tabs to support it. Got our custom plate installed that adapts our Subaru differential to a chain drive. So that way we can use the Yamaha 600cc 4-cylinder engine. That's gonna be pretty sweet.
Should move pretty good.
Should move pretty good.
So we get that floor built, get the front control arms built, and we have power steering. So that's gonna be pretty cool.
Electric power steering.
So that'll be fun to put all that together. Yeah, the electric.
Yeah.
It's coming along good.
So I say, I think we got enough accomplished for one day, huh?
I'd say.
Yeah, I've been going at it for probably 5 or 6 hours now, after working all day. So
I think it came along really well.
yeah, we had Kelly out here helping us film again. She's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
thanks.
if you guys like what we do and you like seeing cool stuff built, make sure and subscribe. Like 50% of the people that watch our videos are subscribed and the other 50 are not. So make sure and subscribe. We definitely appreciate you guys watching. We couldn't do this stuff without our awesome people helping us out and commenting.
Yeah, leave us a comment what you think, what we should do differently, what you would like us to build, or whatever you want to see. Just let us know in the comments.
Yep.
And we'll see what we can do.
All right. Well, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Gonna start over.
We're already starting. Go.
All right, guys. Welcome. I don't want to say that. Okay.
All right. 3,
What?
2, 1, go.
Keep all of it.